Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, November 8. And ang topic po natin for today is, ikaw ba ay marunong o matalino? Wisdom. So, wisdom is more than intelligence or knowledge. It is the ability to see life from God's perspective and to live accordingly. While intelligence helps us understand facts, wisdom teaches us how to use those facts to honor God and do what is right. True wisdom begins with the fear of the Lord and leads to humility, discernment, and obedience. It is not merely about being smart, but walking rightly before God in every decision and season of life. Ating scripture for today is Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10. Basahin ko po. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. So, sa Diyos po lahat ng papurihan, no? So, ang ating topic for today na it's all about wisdom. So, marami po sa ating mga tao na we are focusing on consuming knowledge, pero karamihan sa atin ay hindi ina-apply ang ating mga natututunan. Of course, kasama na ako dito, kasama na tayo lahat, halos lahat tayo, na kung saan kapag tayo ay may realizations, may mga bagay na nalalaman, ay hindi natin ito ina-apply dahil takot tayo na baguhin ang ating perspective sa ating buhay o baguhin ang ating pananaw sa buhay, pananampalataya sa buhay. Pero ginagawa, kung ayun po ang ating ginagawa, talaga bang ino-honor natin ang ating Panginoon? So, as Christians, kahit sa atin ay masakit or minsan na ayaw natin gawin yung mga pinag-uutos ng ating Panginoon, we must do it kasi ayun naman talaga yung dapat natin gawin kasi that is the absolute truth. Kasi tayo, we are corrupted to the bone, to the core, na kung saan yung mga bagay na tama ay nakikita nating mali. Natin for the day is, many people are intelligent but not wise. Intelligence is the capacity to acquire knowledge. Wisdom is applying knowledge in God's spirit. So, yung wisdom daw po, ibig sabihin, all of us, marami tayong mga tao na maraming matatalino, pero they are not wise. Kasi di man nila ina-apply yung knowledge nila. Minsan theory lang, minsan walang application. So, as Christians, kailangan nating baguhin yun, and we must be an example na kailangan tayo ay set ng example na tayo ay gumagawa ng kung ano ang ginagawa ng ating Panginoon at kung ano ang teachings ng ating Panginoon. So, ayun na po, ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, November 8. Sana po ay marami kayong tutunan. Ayun na po, and